Here is the Goodman heat pump running once again, and this time it's in cool mode, even though it's like in the 40s right now, because I was curious to see if it was equipped with a low ambient kit, and it does not seem to have engaged yet. And in case you have not been watching my videos, this is a 2008 Goodman 2-ton heat pump. It's got the Copeland reciprocating compressor, R22, and it has the Zhongshang Broad Ocean fan motor. And this unit I thought had 2 filter dryers. I mean, it might, if I haven't looked well enough inside the unit. Yeah, I think it only has it external. And this unit actually has a Copeland scroll compressor. It actually used to have the reciprocating, but that compressor gave out and it was replaced back in May. Copeland scroll, and this is a straight cool unit. And yeah, this screw right here seems to be a little loose. Yeah, I don't think it's that big of a deal because this unit's gonna be replaced pretty soon anyway. It's pretty cold, but I don't think it's sweating very much. Yeah, I don't want to keep this unit running too long in air conditioning mode. As soon as I'm done recording, I'm going to switch it back to heat mode. And I think this unit actually does have an internal filter dryer. I don't think you can see it very well with the unit running. Okay, I'm going to go switch it back to heat mode. Out.